Hi Asad, this is Biplav speaking, and this is my daily checklist video. Today I am working. I started my work in the morning at 9 o'clock, and first time I make my KZ ad, and then I go to my open my mail and check out about their beta team and enter channel also, and then I go to my regular work schedule. Today some product has remained about Notion and also Frontier. So first time I work on Notion, but today I didn't get any product over here, Amazon and MBA, and also work on Frontier. I got here this product, but I didn't get any product from Amazon. So this is my schedule work, and today is the last day of this week. So after weekend we'll meet again, and you give me. I wanted to give a password or something like that about Uber. Maybe you know about that. So what will be next time? Next day it will be happened, and we will connect on Hangout. So no problem. Any information, please share with me. So this is all, and today I also check out my Emacs bill, but I didn't get any information over here. So that's all. This is my today's work. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.